March 21st, 2020 marked 4 years since I've been living in Japan. It was a Saturday, March 21st. But it did not catch me celebrating or remembering that it was the 4th year and I should commemorate it in some way, as I think I should have done. Pausing for a moment to take in this view and observing the pitter-patters of rain that are coming as I descend from this magnificent view. Yes, but March 21st, 2020, near breaking point for me actually. I decided not to renew my contract as an ALT or assistant language teacher. I simply could not take it anymore. I don't know where this leads, but it's slippery. It's been raining here in this city and I am not about to take that chance. Just showing you where I'm at. Don't ask me what this is. I have no idea, but knowing Japan, it's probably some kind of grave or some kind of something. But 4 years in Japan,